Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Meross Smart Table Lamp, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Meross Smart Table Lamp, a power adapter, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Buttons and indicator. How to pair. To pair the device, first download the Meross app and connect the power cable to turn on the device. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with a strong signal. Open the Meross app, sign in to your account, or create a new one. Tap the plus icon, select your device type, and follow the on-screen setup instructions to complete the configuration. After pairing, you can control the device through the Meross app or Apple Home app. If the device was previously added, reset it before starting the pairing process.
Smart features?
Customize your lighting with millions of colors, adjustable brightness, and personalized scenes using the Smart app for different moods and environments. Connect with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant to control your lighting with voice commands, schedules, and remote access.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Meross Smart Table Lamp. See you in the next one.